Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. If you're looking to black out your side markers on your 2010 to 2015 Camaro, then look no further. We have a perfect kit that will give you complete coverage of the factory lenses without being a permanent solution. The light version of this kit will give you a subtle tinted effect that will still leave the red and amber in your side markers visible during the day. The dark version of this kit will give your Camaro a completely darked out finish but still allow for the light to shine through. Today we will be installing the dark finish on our Camaro. Installation is going to be fairly simple and should only take about 15 minutes of your time. You will need a spray bottle with a little bit of water to help adjust the film to get it just right, and a microfiber towel is needed to push any excess water out from behind the film. Once everything is completely dry, you can now sit back and take a look at the new style of your side markers. There you have it, guys, a simple side marker installation, and the side profile of our Camaro is completely changed. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.